So, custom estates part 2, engine start rubbish. Okay, oil is still inside, also the cooling liquid fluid is also inside. First of that, I'm going to take that out. Only disconnecting this hose, yes. That's all what I'm going to do. That's all, let it drip out. And then I concentrate me on the engine to open it. First of all, I'm going to disconnect the starter engine. Oh, sorry. One moment, I come to you. Let me check what I'm filming, sorry. So, that's better view. The liquid, cooling liquid is still going out and it's dropping like this. I take out those little bolts and now I can remove the starter engine and check something wrong with it. I don't think so. Then I will take the other bolts and nuts out. So, oh shit, no, it stopped with running out there, okay. You can see I use a special longer wrench because I like it that way. And when you take the bolts and nuts out of the engine, put them together in pairs, then you will find your way in reinstalling all the parts. So. I'm missing a special tool at the moment. Shit. Where is it? Fuck. That's not what I want to see. There it is. I was missing that one. Because I use a long tool or wrench, it gives me clearance to take it easier apart. Remember, the oil is still inside this engine. Also, the cooling liquid is still inside the engine. I will disconnect the water pipe on this side, I hope. There it comes, okay. That looks nice. Keep it that way. Now I want to take off that part. It's always a little bit difficult. Looks very nice, that's not the problem. Looks also good. Always use a new copper washer. Looks good also. Feels good. And this ring is very important. Take care of that. So oh, I have to disconnect the gear lever of the gear pedal, whatever you call it in English language. So place. So, I think the rear cover, engine cover, is loose. Now I have to get it off the engine, and always take care of the gear switch selector and prop shaft axle. Oh, it's in gear now, don't worry, it's not important. What I use is always brutal force, scissors, and always, you can hear it, lift it and put the gear selector inwards the engine. That's out. So, always a ring that side and that side. Yes, that looks fine. That looks fine too. Looks nice, nice and tight. Take this off. So, You see, oil inside the engine, no problems at all. Starter gear is also good. That one's coming out, that is not good. Tap it in. That's fine, that's fine. I have to take grab my air guns to remove this, and then I will show you in the next movie how to take it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next movie. Thank you. New O-rings installed. That one is good. Yes. That looks nice. Oh, not bad.